complained about the AI voices, so now I'm going to use my real voice to do the voiceover for my videos.
Just when you thought you'd finally gotten rid of me, surprise. I'm back, and you're stuck with me for a little longer. But hey, stop your groaning and pay attention, because today we're tackling the thrilling world of toilet fill valve replacement on a Kohler. It's so easy, even your grandma's grumpy cat could do it. First things first, shut off that water supply, then give that toilet a good flush to clear out any remaining water. Next, disconnect the supply line and loosen up that nut holding the fill valve in place. If you're struggling to find it, take a peek under the tank. It's right there, hiding in plain sight. Now, I swear by this Corky Premium fill valve. It's sturdy. The float is like a personal bodyguard for your toilet, and apparently, it's built to outlast even the toughest plumbing jobs. No complaints from me so far, and of course the golden rule, check for leaks, because nobody wants a surprise flood in their bathroom. That's it for now, folks. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more riveting toilet adventures.